All right, good morning. So this is usually later than usual, but I'm adding this for today's assignment. I just want to go through and review a few things. Yesterday was pretty choppy in our Zoom meeting. Looking at the dinosaur breath reading activity, I wanted you to go through some of the questions we're asking about the carbon cycle. And specifically, paragraph 2 says which process was described. Well, if you're looking at paragraph 2, it comes right down and tells you through photosynthesis and goes on to explain it. So if you go back to your PowerPoint, there's four processes, four parts to the carbon cycle: photosynthesis, respiration, decombustion, decomposition and combustion. So those are the four you need to think about because you're going to need to remember that for tomorrow. So I recommend you reading over your PowerPoint again for tomorrow. For the lab, there's a lot of confusion, and again, that was my fault. I explained it in the last remind I sent out last night, which less than half of you read, so you might have missed out. When I was editing this to do online, I forgot to delete the questions that we would have done if we were doing this face to face. You're going to stop the lab right here where it says click here to end the lab. You're only answering questions 1 through 10. You can stop. I tried editing the doc once I assigned it. Some of you, depending on when you open it, the changes were reflected, and some of you still saw these other questions 4 through, I think, 10, 4 through 11 with paragraphs. You don't have to do that. You're stopping right here. What fills the balloon in the second experiment? Second thing I want to clarify is this. If you send me actual videos and pictures if you attempt this at home, you should know me by now. If you experiment with this at home and you send me pictures, thank you, Josh, you will get extra credit. You do not have to attempt this experiment at home. I understand not everyone has vinegar and chalk laying around the house, but if you do it, send me your pictures and video and you'll get extra credit. Let's talk about the update. So I told you I've been keeping track, and again, less than half of you watched this video. This is an extra credit competition um, based on your communication. And if you look, the video you're supposed to watch explaining the extra credit was a 2-minute 45-second video, and you guys did not even watch half of it. I feel like deducting points for that part of the competition. And then you need to be referencing this sheet as well. This is the home instruction daily assignment. It's like your grade sheet. I have all of your assignments posted, and if you even look today, you see your next two assignments are posted with point values. So reference this, pull it out. I'll try to share the link one more time, but you should all have this. So for today, oops, that's not what I want. Nope, that is what I want. For today, I'm going to post this video. Make sure you watch the video. And the question you have to answer is how many total experiments have been posted through our home instruction time, including optional and extra credit. It's going to be nice. Get your work done early. Check Google Classroom. Check the stream. Check your classwork. Check your email. Everything should stay on task and get outside and enjoy this nice weather. I will try to do a Google Meet next week with smaller groups. I will talk to you then. Have a good weekend.